an interactive and visual environment for Python. Widely used for data analysis, Python offers numerous libraries like pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib. Specifically designed for statistical computing and data analysis. R offers a variety of packages like dplyr, ggplot2, and titor. Structured query language is essential for managing and analyzing structured data in relational databases. Tools like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server are commonly used. A versatile commonly used tool with built-in functions for data manipulation, visualization, and analysis.